Hi guys, in this week's tutorial I'll show you how to do a simple color effect in Photoshop. Welcome back to a brand new Photoshop tutorial. I'm Prof. Didier. In this tutorial I'll show you how to use adjustment layers, curves, black and white adjustment, blending modes to get some more contrast to your photo. Okay, enough the talking, let's jump into Photoshop right away.
Okay, to start with, I would like to show you this simple color action I did to get the color effect I want just very quickly. Unfortunately, this action is not included in this video, in this tutorial. But if you like it, you may ask me in the comment below, and maybe I will do another tutorial next time, including the action. Okay, let's see the before and the after. The before and the after. Okay, now let's delete the action and let's reproduce the color effect step by step. We start with the selective color. I usually leave all the other colors as they are. I just work on the blacks, pushing up the cyan to 16 is okay, and the magenta pushing it down to 10. On the yellow side, on the yellow color, I use this trick. I push it to -10 and then I set it slowly up to 10, or -11 is fine for me with this picture. Then I go to the black and push it up to 12 is fine. Perfect. Now let's add another adjustment layer, the black and white. This time I'm not going to work on the colors but just on the preset with the high contrast blue filter. I know it is too much here, but we are going to reduce the opacity to, let's see, just a little bit, 14, 15 is fine. I like 15. Let's see. Yes, 15 is fine. After and before. After and before. Okay. Now let's add another layer, which is the solid color. I choose the red, but you may choose any color you like. Not this one. This is perfect. And set the blending mode to color and reduce the opacity to 0 and then slowly up to, not too much, I think from 5 to 10. 5 is okay. 7, 5 or 7, 6 or 7 should be fine. Let's see the before and the after. Before and the after. Okay. Now the last step is to add curves. Let's work on the highlights and go up till the input 179, 180. Okay, and then go down with the shadows to not too much, 60, around 60 works with this picture. If you like, you can raise it here, the input, to get the washed out effect. Not too much. Okay, I think it's finished. Let's group all these layers. Ctrl G. That's it. Let's see the before, after, before, after.
Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. Hope you liked it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next tips in Photoshop. Bye bye.